Rawalpindi. President of Khidmat Foundation Pakistan, AKFP, Dr. Hafeezur Rehman inaugurated the water filtration plant at Rawalpindi Railway Station on Thursday. The filtration plant has the capacity to provide 24,000 litres of safe drinking water on a daily basis. Dr. Hafeezur Rehman on the occasion said that the foundation so far has spent 1 billion rupees on installing water pumps to tube wells for communities across the country. Moreover, he said that AKFP had also spent 2.75 billion rupees bringing up 27,000 orphan children. President of AKFP North Punjab, Rizwan Ahmad, Senior Pak Railways official Shah Kahan, and Rawalpindi District President Munir Ahmad Attique were also present on the occasion. Dr. Hafeezur Rehman said that Khidmat Razi Hospital Rawalpindi, which was startled from a building, has now become a model in the health sector. He informed that AKFP also allocated 15 billion rupees to provide relief to flood victims in 2022.